Hippos are remarkable creatures. These semi-aquatic mammals are often misunderstood and underestimated, but they hold a significant place in the animal kingdom. Their unique characteristics and behaviors make them one of the most fascinating animals to study. They are one of the largest land mammals on Earth, second only to elephants in terms of weight. Adult hippos can weigh between 1,500 to 3,200 kilograms, with males typically being larger than females. Their massive size is both a marvel and a necessity for their survival in the wild. These giants inhabit the rivers and lakes of sub-Saharan Africa, where they spend most of their time submerged in water to keep their massive bodies cool under the scorching African sun. The regions they inhabit are often teeming with life, making them crucial players in their ecosystems. Hippos are fascinating to observe with their barrel-shaped bodies and surprising agility in water. Despite their bulk, they can move swiftly and gracefully underwater, using their webbed feet to propel themselves. They can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes, allowing them to navigate their aquatic homes with ease. Despite their size, hippos are herbivores. They primarily feed on grasses, consuming up to 40 kilograms of vegetation each night. Their large, powerful jaws and sharp teeth are perfectly adapted for grazing, allowing them to efficiently process their plant-based diet. Their diet plays a crucial role in their ecosystem. By grazing on grasses, hippos help maintain the balance of vegetation in their habitats. This in turn supports other species that rely on these areas for food and shelter. Their feeding habits also contribute to nutrient cycling, enriching the soil and promoting plant growth. Hippos are social animals, living in groups called pods. These pods provide safety and social interaction, which are essential for their well-being. Within these groups, hippos establish strong social bonds and engage in various behaviors that strengthen their communal ties. These pods can consist of up to 30 individuals, though the size can vary depending on the availability of resources and the specific environment. Larger pods are often found in areas with abundant food and water, while smaller groups may form in more challenging conditions. A dominant male usually leads the pod. This alpha male is responsible for protecting the group and maintaining order. He asserts his dominance through displays of strength and aggression, ensuring that his position is respected by other males within the pod. Hippos communicate through a variety of grunts, snorts, and bellows. These vocalizations serve multiple purposes, from establishing territory to coordinating group movements. Each sound carries specific meanings, allowing hippos to convey complex messages to one another. These vocalizations help maintain order within the pod. By communicating effectively, hippos can avoid conflicts and ensure that the group functions smoothly. This communication is especially important during the dry season when resources are scarce and cooperation is essential for survival. Hippos are fascinating creatures with a unique set of adaptations. Their thick skin, which can be up to 6 centimeters thick, provides protection against predators and harsh environmental conditions. Additionally, their eyes, ears, and nostrils are positioned on top of their heads, allowing them to see, hear, and breathe while mostly submerged in water. Their presence in African ecosystems is vital. Hippos play a key role in shaping their environment, influencing the distribution of plant and animal species. Their interactions with other wildlife, such as birds that feed on insects from their backs, highlight the interconnectedness of life in these habitats. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the lives of these incredible animals. We will explore their behaviors, social structures, and the challenges they face in the wild. Understanding these aspects is crucial for their conservation and the protection of their habitats. We will uncover their secrets and understand their importance in the natural world. From their role in nutrient cycling to their impact on vegetation, hippos are integral to the health and stability of their ecosystems. By studying them, we gain insights into the broader dynamics of the environments they inhabit. Join me as we explore the world of the mighty hippopotamus. Together, we will journey through their watery realms, witnessing their daily lives and the extraordinary adaptations that enable them to thrive. This exploration will reveal the hidden depths of these remarkable creatures. We will discover the wonders of these river giants and the crucial role they play in the delicate balance of nature. By understanding their behaviors and ecological significance, we can better appreciate the intricate web of life that sustains our planet. So let's dive in and meet the mighty hippo in all its glory. Hippos are endemic to Africa. These magnificent creatures have roamed the continent for millions of years, adapting to its diverse landscapes and climates. Their presence is a testament to the rich biodiversity of Africa. This means they are found nowhere else in the world. The African continent is their exclusive home where they have evolved and thrived. From the vast savannas to the lush riverbanks, hippos have made these regions their own. They are particularly fond of warm, tropical climates. These environments provide the perfect balance of heat and moisture, essential for their survival. The tropical sun warms their thick skin, while the abundant water sources keep them cool. These climates offer the perfect conditions for these water-loving creatures. The combination of warm temperatures and plentiful water bodies creates an ideal habitat. Hippos spend much of their day submerged in water, emerging only at dusk to graze. Their ideal habitat is near a water source. Water is not just a preference, but a necessity for hippos. It provides them with a place to cool off, socialize, and protect themselves from predators. This could be a river, a lake, or even a swamp. Each of these water bodies offers unique benefits. Rivers provide a constant flow of fresh water. Lakes offer expansive areas to roam, and swamps are rich in vegetation. The water provides a refuge from the heat. During the hottest parts of the day, hippos can be seen lounging in the water, their eyes and nostrils just above the surface. This behavior helps them regulate their body temperature and avoid overheating. It also serves as a source of food. The water bodies are teeming with aquatic plants, which form a significant part of the hippo's diet. Additionally, the surrounding vegetation provides ample grazing opportunities. Hippos prefer areas with plenty of vegetation. The lush greenery not only offers food, but also shelter and protection. Dense vegetation along riverbanks and lake shores creates a safe haven for hippos where they can hide from potential threats. They are grazers, meaning they feed on grasses and other plants. Hippos can consume up to 88 pounds of grass in a single night. Their large, powerful jaws and teeth are perfectly adapted for grazing, allowing them to efficiently process large quantities of vegetation. The abundance of vegetation along riverbanks and lake shores makes these areas ideal for hippos. These regions provide a continuous supply of food, ensuring that hippos can maintain their large body size and energy levels. However, hippos face a growing threat from habitat loss. As human populations expand, natural habitats are being converted into agricultural land, urban areas, and infrastructure projects. This encroachment is reducing the available space for hippos to live and thrive. As humans encroach on their territory, hippos are forced into smaller and smaller areas. This confinement can lead to increased stress and competition among hippos for limited resources. The shrinking habitats also make it more difficult for hippos to find suitable mates and maintain healthy populations. This can lead to competition for resources and even conflict with humans. As hippos venture closer to human settlements in search of food and water, they may come into contact with people, leading to dangerous encounters. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these majestic animals and ensure they continue to roam the African landscapes for generations to come. Despite their immense size and powerful build, hippos are herbivores. This might come as a surprise to many, given their formidable appearance and the fact that they're often seen as one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. However, their diet is primarily plant-based. This means their diet consists mainly of plants. They consume a wide variety of vegetation, including grasses, leaves, and even some fruits when available. Their preference for certain types of plants can vary depending on the season and the availability of food sources. They are particularly fond of grasses. Grasses make up the bulk of their diet, and they can often be seen grazing near water sources where these plants grow in abundance. The lush, green grasses provide the necessary nutrients to sustain their large bodies. Grasses grow abundantly near water sources. These areas are ideal for hippos as they provide both food and a place to stay cool during the hot days. The proximity to water is crucial for their survival, as it helps them regulate their body temperature and avoid dehydration. Hippos are primarily nocturnal grazers. They spend the night hours feeding on grasses and other vegetation. This nocturnal behavior helps them avoid the heat of the day and reduces the risk of dehydration. It also minimizes the chances of encountering predators. They spend most of the day submerged in water. During the daytime, hippos retreat to the water to rest and stay cool. The water provides a safe haven from the sun and helps protect their sensitive skin from sunburn. It also offers a refuge from potential threats. As the sun sets, they emerge from their watery refuge. The cooler temperatures of the evening signal the start of their feeding activities. Hippos will travel several miles from their water source in search of food, following well-worn paths that they have created over time. They venture onto land to graze. This nightly journey is essential for their survival as it allows them to consume the large quantities of vegetation needed to sustain their massive bodies. The hippo's grazing habits play a crucial role in shaping the landscape and maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. A hippo can consume a surprising amount of vegetation each night. On average, an adult hippo can eat up to 80 pounds of grass in a single feeding session. This impressive feat is made possible by their efficient digestive system, which is specially adapted to break down tough plant material. An adult hippo can eat up to 80 pounds of grass in a single feeding session. This large intake of food is necessary to meet their energy needs and maintain their health. The hippo's ability to consume such vast amounts of vegetation is a testament to their strength and resilience. Their large, strong teeth are perfectly adapted for grinding tough plant matter. Hippos have a unique dental structure that allows them to efficiently process the fibrous plants they consume. Their teeth are constantly growing, which helps them maintain their ability to chew through even the toughest vegetation. Their herbivorous diet plays a vital role in their ecosystem. By feeding on large quantities of vegetation, hippos help to control plant growth and prevent overgrowth. This in turn supports the health and diversity of the ecosystem, benefiting other species that share their habitat. By consuming large quantities of vegetation, hippos help to control plant growth. Their grazing activities create open spaces in the vegetation, which allows new plants to grow and thrive. This process helps to maintain a healthy balance within the ecosystem and supports the overall biodiversity of the area. This prevents overgrazing and maintains a healthy balance within their habitat. The hippo's role as herbivores is essential for the sustainability of their environment. By keeping plant growth in check, they ensure that their habitat remains a thriving and dynamic ecosystem, supporting a wide range of plant and animal life.